CCTV Lawan Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jongka Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordar mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
Ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill Arajar Arpo menta kaladon ha kami jong Presiden Kari Ramnath Kovind na kabenta ban ajing menjur khnang ban penong an ya kani ka Aiñ-Rew ka ban te la kam bat ban perkhing ya ka rung kami lai lo jong Aiñ-Rew ki bawan nabar sapo ka jilla Meghalaya ya kani la pentip do menteri rangba jong ka jilla Konrad Sangma ha ka jing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka sngi balang jong ka arpo hunyo tarik ubnaya yong Arajar Arpo ar kajing penbait jong ka sarkar jilla ya kani ka Aiñ bala menjur ha usnam Arajar Aiñ-Rew kalong namar baki beniat jong ka Aiñ ka barim ka khamduna bat kam da long ka bakhlanya do kata-kata ban te la kam ya ka jingwan rom kerthem jong ki breu ki banabar.
Initially, when this MRSC came in, the governor had discussed this matter with the Home Ministry. So therefore, in the recommendations given by the then governor, which was then of course resent again to us because we sent it back to the governor and the new governor again sent back with the comments that was put in by the then governor, saying that this bill should be sent to the president for his approval and his consent and his comments. Accordingly, through the governor's secretariat, that file and that the MRSSA bill has been sent to the president's office.